They say money can't buy happiness. But have you ever noticed that the people saying that usually don't have any? The truth is, money is just energy. It is a magnifier. It makes you more of who you already are. But to get to the level of the top 1%, to reach the level of Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, or Bernard Arnault, you don't just need luck. You need a completely different operating system for your brain. We are looking at a combined net worth of over $2 trillion. The men on this list didn't just work hard. They hacked the code of reality. They saw a future that didn't exist, and they dragged the rest of the world kicking and screaming into it. Today, we are not just reading quotes. We are downloading their mindset. We are breaking down the specific mental frameworks that built Tesla, Amazon, LVMH, and Nvidia. By the end of this video, you will understand why some people struggle to make rent, while others reshape the galaxy. Welcome to the Billionaire Playbook. Let's start with the man who is currently the wealthiest human on Earth. Elon Musk. His secret isn't rockets. It's his tolerance for pain. Elon says, when something is important enough, you do it even if the odds are not in your favor. Most people calculate the odds. They look at a dream and say, that's too risky. Elon looks at the destination and says, that is necessary. He believes that failure is an option here. If things are not failing, you are not innovating enough. Think about that. If you haven't failed lately, you aren't trying hard enough. You are playing it safe. And playing it safe is the most dangerous thing you can do. Larry Page, the co-founder of Google, agrees. He didn't build a search engine. He organized the world's information. He says always deliver more than expected. But more importantly, he believes in the power of the crazy idea. Page says if you're not doing some things that are crazy, then you're doing the wrong things. He calls these mega ambitious dreams. The irony is, there is less competition at the top. Everyone is fighting for the average jobs, the average businesses. But very few people are crazy enough to try and cure aging or map the entire planet. As Page says, it is often easier to make progress on mega ambitious dreams. Since no one else is crazy enough to do it, you have little competition. Mark Zuckerberg adds to this. In a world that moves this fast, waiting for perfection is a death sentence. His philosophy? The biggest risk is not taking any risk. In a world that's changing really quickly, the only strategy that is guaranteed to fail is not taking risks.